Welcome to Solutions with Satvik. Let me explain the characteristics of people who are born on 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th of any month. That means people who are number 2, right? So number 2 people are governed by planet Moon. So what is that we associate Moon with? Moon is something which is basically a planet which rules our psyche, right? Or our mind. So what happens is when the moon grows and then after 15 days it wanes or degrows, there is a fluctuation, right? There is a fluctuation in the size. Similarly, with the change in the size of the moon, so there is also an influence on our mind, that is psyche as well, because the moon rules our psyche. So people who are number 2 generally are very susceptible to mental stress, mental disorders, right? So currently everybody is talking about mental health, and the people who are number 2 are the one who suffer most. Okay, because moon represents water element and 70% of our body is made up of water. So change in moon also change in our body, indirectly also our psyche, that is our mind. Let's talk about the characteristics of people. So they are very emotional, very sensitive, very soft, creative. They are very good in their imagination, right? So they can be very good leaders as well at times. They are known for their leadership. Okay, so they can also become good researchers and scientists. A lot of number 2 people are also very good spiritualists. They can become good philosophers, writers, orators. So these are all basically the characteristics of number 2. So the positive side is creativity, imagination, leadership, right? uh, the negative side, as I said, they are extremely susceptible or prone to mental disorders like anxiety, depression, overthinking, mood swings, etc. And these people can also be very deceptive at times. Let's now talk about all the 4 dates separately. Let's talk about number 2, that is date 2. People who are born on 2nd of any month. So they can become great spiritualists, head of spiritual institutions, religious mutts, etc. Because generally these people are, so they are known for their sattvic lifestyle. They can, become good philosophers. They practice yoga. Okay, so these are the traits of number 2. Okay, so as I said, they can be great orators, good writers. They can bring revolutionary ideas as well. But decision making is something which is a challenge to people who are born on 2nd. Okay, so they struggle to take decision. Okay, and when they take, it becomes a controversial most of the time. Like whatever decision Mahatma Gandhi took is still today subject to debate. Right? Let's move to second date, that is 11th. Now this is the date, right? So these are the people, that is people who are born on 11th. They are extremely vulnerable to attacks from others. When I say attacks, not physical, but others generally backstab these people. So number 11, that is people who are born on 11th of any month, they can face a lot of treachery, deceit, backstabbing from others. So if you are a number 11 born person, you have to be careful, right? Don't trust, don't believe people very easily, because you can face unnecessarily a lot of sufferings because of the deceitful acts of others. Let's move to number 20th. Number 20th people are generally very creative. They can become good actors, good musicians, right? They can have mass followers, plus they also make a lot of money. Okay, so good number 20th is the best of all the 4 numbers of number 2. Let's talk about the last number, which is number 29. So 29 is the worst, I can say, of all the 4. These people always suffer from mental agony. So some kind of mental stress they always go through. It can be the mental agony given by others, or they find a way to always think, overthink, and keep suffering. Okay, so these people are always suffering because of something or the other. So in general, number 2 represents feminism, Okay, so as I said, very soft, emotional, oversensitive at times, like touch me not. You say something, they just get upset and then go into shell and sits in some corner. Okay, but if nurtured well, if they are in good places, if there's basically surrounded by good people, if they are in the circle of good people, they can become very very good people, right? So they are extremely loving, caring, very mother like, right? So the other side, as I said, they have to watch out for their mental health. Okay, and don't trust people very easily. Okay, so these are the characteristics. Like this, I keep sharing a lot of insights about numerology, vastu, NLP, manifestation, and other life skills. So keep watching, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Solutions with Satvik. Thanks for watching.